Bonjour and bonjour, everyone. I'm Maggie from the Fort Francis Library, and welcome to this week's Craft Club. I wonder who that could be.
I'm here!
Well, if it isn't our friend and helper at the library, Cody the Craft Wolf. Say hi to everyone, Cody.
Hi, everybody! I'm Cody, the Craft Wolf. I'm your lovely librarian's assistant. I like to make crafts and get stuff for them, too. I just love making crafts.
Speaking of materials, what's that you got in your paws?
Oh, sorry I'm late. I was running to get some paint.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cody. We won't be painting today.
What? Oh, all right. So what are we making today?
Today we're going to be making jellyfish decorations from I Heart Craft Things. A great way to bring the ocean to your home.
Ooh, that sounds like a lot of fun.
I'm glad you're as excited as I am, Cody. Well, if we're all ready, let's get started. In this bag, we will find one instruction manual, 2 paper bowls, handful of ribbons, handful of tissue paper, 4 googly eyes, and 2 string. So organize this, set aside everything you won't need. I'm going to be doing the orange and yellow one today. So we're going to set aside anything that's blue. Take one of the strings, take 2 of the googly eyes, then take 1 of the paper plates. Set the rest aside. Now this is a mess, so you might have to organize some of this, but take out anything that seems orange and blue. Once those are sorted, there are a few materials you might need. You'll need some glue, a sharp pointy object or pencil, and a paintbrush for the glue. Set those aside for now and move away any extra stuff that you won't be needing. Take the paper plate, flip it over. Then take your paintbrush and your glue and cover the whole thing. I'll see you when I'm done. There we go. Once it's all covered, take your tissue paper and start placing it all over the bowl. Make sure to space them out so that they aren't overlapping. I'll see you when I'm done. Once you're satisfied with it, set it aside to dry. While you're at it, you can clean up some of the glue because you won't be needing it anymore. While you're waiting for that to dry, take your scissors and ribbon and string. Make sure to get an adult before you do this. Take your ribbon, take your scissors, and open them. Put the ribbon on the edge of the blade, put your thumb in between, and then pull it through. It should curl the ribbon, like so. If you do it fast, it should curl it a lot more. If you don't want to do this, you can just tie them instead. I'm going to do a mix of both. Once you're done that, take your ribbon and your string and lay them lengthwise. It might be difficult with the curled string, but you could still grab them in half at the half mark. Take the rest of your ribbon and bunch them like so. Then take your string and wrap it around them. Tie a knot around the center. Make sure that it's somewhat even on both sides. You're going to use the rest to tie it up. Make sure it's tight. Then bring these two to the center. Pull them down. These will be the tendrils for the jellyfish. While it's drying, take this, set these aside, bring back your glue. You're going to need it for your eyeballs. Take some glue and apply it to the back of the eyeballs, and then put it on the decorated side of the bowl. Take your other one and do the same thing. There we go. Doesn't he look cute? Mine's still drying, so we'll have to set him aside for a little longer. Alright, so we're going to grab our jellyfish and our string. We're going to poke a hole in the top. So we could use a pencil or scissors for this. I'm going to use a pencil because it's a lot safer than the scissors. So try to get it right in the middle. Move it around. Brace the back. And there we go. Make sure the hole can fit the string right through. So, take your string and your ribbons. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then take the two ends and thread them through the hole. There we go. Then pull it through and tie the two ends together. And all done! How did yours turn out, Cody?
Really good! This was super fun! I really liked adding the googly eyes on. Look at them shake!
I'm glad you had as much fun as I did, Cody. And I hope you all did too. If you want, take a picture of your craft and send it to us on our Facebook page, or send it into the library so that we could display it.
We can't be done already! I wanted to do more!
Oh, I'm sorry, Cody. But there is one thing we can do.
What's that?
The cleanup song! Everybody ready? Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away. That's it for this week.